long to do this part.
No, this is the easiest part of the whole job.
You're at the end of the day, now you're like,
90% of field issues are installation issues.
yeah,
And most of those are because they don't torque them properly.
get in a hurry and just want to get out of there.
Come down and spin them a little bit before you do.
That guns only goes about 60 or 65. That's the end of the road on that.
Holy shit.
I asked Levi 3 times. We're going to make sure that hydrant's on because of this. Yeah, he was supposed to be here.
Get right out of here in case this cuts. That sucker's sharp. Can you go that way?
Suck it in a little bit.